Hello guys, hope you are enjoying the weekend. This is the pair Euro USD, one of the most powerful and most widely traded pair. Let's get back to the analysis. Last time I did the analysis. I don't know how did I deleted that, and sorry for that, I couldn't recollect. So let's do it from the beginning, and at the same time, if possible, we can find any uh, lead on the same thing. So if we can able to find a lead, we may be able to make some money out of it. So let's do it. uh, this is a very huge thing we have here. You guys can see that Euro USD is going bearish for a very long time. I think after 2009, it was its peak in 2009, to be honest with you, almost equivalent to $1.5 or more than $1.5, €1 equal to, and after that it has started getting bearish, and we will just concentrate from here, this area. Apart from that, we are not going to concentrate. So for the trend traders, this is the line we have for you guys. Okay, this is the trend line actually on monthly, just to give you some comfort. This is the thing, and I should reduce it to 1 pix to be more proper. This is the trend line we have. Okay guys, now as we will concentrate here, we are not looking back at the moment, but we'll use some references, of course. So the first double top we have is here. This is the double top area we have. Let's increase the size, and we can see that this has been occurred from here. And let's not put it out of context in so many months, no point. Okay, and to make it now, this double top, if we consider this double top, hold on guys, let me draw things properly. That is the depth of our market. Okay, double top is done. This double top has created this bottom from here. Okay guys, from here, not from here. Okay, from here, this guy, and this is the trend line. So each time I draw the trend line before I mark this, so you guys can see each time a double top happens in a higher time frame like monthly, it touches the trend line. Okay guys, now if we see the bottom here, it has been created by this red candle here. So let us mark it first so we can bring the reference down here. You guys see this red and green, this from this green it has been created, from here it has been created. So we can draw it like this. Let's draw it like this for convenience, and then we'll see what we can do. Increase it. Okay, now put it in context like this, and we can increase on the top like this, and this is the place the double top happened. If you want guys to see, you see red, green. Okay, so we had the double top and double bottom of the higher time frame, and the half of this is if we consider the half, hold on guys, I have not drawn it properly. It should be here. Okay, now it is done. So half of this monthly, if we see, is like this. Okay, let's go Now let's mark the half, change the orientation. So this is the half, and the market is just running on the half line at the moment. And now we can see that it came up here, created a double bottom, double top here, came down, created a double top here in monthly. Can you guys see? And again it pushed the price back, but this red candle is for just January 1st week, so we cannot consider it as a double top in the month. We have double top only here, so we can mark the double top here, this guy, okay, not this guy. Be careful, okay, don't interpret wrongly, then you will be lost in translation. Let me increase it. This is where we are considering, not this guy, so be careful, okay. This is, and the top is very high here, the monthly range is very high, and we are going to draw it, but we are not going to draw it fully because this will create a confusion. We leave that green guy alone, this green guy alone for the time being, okay, because this was the double top we had in monthly, and this pushed the price back here, and after pushing the price back here we have a double bottom here in monthly also. So this is the red and green, and we have a red and green. So if we have a red candle like this in December, in January 2004, then we have a triple top, monthly triple top will happen here, okay guys. So let's mark this also. So we can now see how the market unfolded over a very long period of time here, okay guys. So this is the thing happened. This is the long range half which we have seen, this guy and this guy, and now we have a inside double top and also a double bottom. So we are talking about this double top, don't misunderstood with any other thing. So I would like to, and this double bottom, okay, comparing with this guy, we don't have anything here, and we have this double top based on these two. Now we reached here, and what happened here is this. If we increase it, you guys can see the December it tried to break the upside, but it failed. It must pass this, the shadow, the tip of this shadow, to get more bullish if it wants to, okay, and it failed in December. In January it opened, it started going bearish immediately. Now first thing first, what stopped it here, because we cannot declare it in monthly until 31st January here, okay. So if we go to weekly, do we have a double top in weekly? No, we don't have any double top. In weekly we have a big shadow, bullish candle on the upside, which is showing that buyers are getting weak, and immediately at the end of the year we find the bearish candle immediately, okay guys. So what pushed it back? Let's go to day time frame, and if we put a line here, can you guys see it has been created from here? So let's go to month, turn off some of the features so we can see things more clearly, okay. We don't want them there, we don't want this guy also there, okay. We just make it clear to see things in monthly very clearly. we have put it there. Now if we, as we have seen very clearly, that we don't need this guy and this guy at the monthly. Okay, weekly we didn't find anything, no double top. It happened in daily. Now if we check, we can see that in daily time frame this guy has been created from here. So let's take it off for the time being, guys. Let's take it off. Let's not put it in daily, and weekly is okay, but daily we don't mind. Let's take them off. The upper side we don't mind, but this guy, let them be there. So if we draw in daily, this is our double top, and it is happening from this guy. Okay, guys, so let's mark them now. Okay, so it happened from here. Now we can draw. We have to go a little bit higher to check the market depth, and this is the place where it happened. So we have an official daily double top, and it pushed the price back into this region. We don't want this to be shown right now, no need. Let's take them off, otherwise it will go. And this is the middle line of the bigger range we had. This is the bigger range. Okay, this guy and this guy, this is the middle point is a very sensitive area, price zone, from where we can see how far the price has gone bullish or bearish, because that is the average. It should remain there. Okay, so in daily we have an official double top. If we don't want to see it in right now, we don't have any implication, but let's take it out. So this is what is in the market. Now guys, there is two things from here. It pushed the price back, and if we measure the depth of the market from the current place to here, the price is supposed to come back, to be honest with you, here. So we are targeting here now, this area. Okay, there is two reasons price can come back here, or price may go up. We don't know what the market will do. Nobody knows. So we have to take every caution. And the last day on Friday, we can see a candlestick which is confusing, a doji, which has a same shadow on the top and not on the bottom, and the market couldn't decide which way it will go. But apparently we can see that we have this cup has already formed. So one, it will move to this area, will form the handle. This is one. Or it will start moving on the upside, and we are going to investigate right away. So keep this in mind, this cup and handle at the moment, and let me delete it for the time being so we can do better analysis. Now you guys see that it has created the price has stopped here again. Why? Because the price has been, it has been created a this guy. We need a green to put it in double bottom, or we have a green and red, we need to put a double top. So in day time frame, nothing is here. In weekly, nothing is here. In monthly, no question about. So in 4 hours, we have nothing also. So the market is in in a indecision period right now. So it is neither giving us a clear indication which way it will go, either this way or this way. So the best option we have now, that if we go bullish, you guys can see it has to break this point. In 4 hourly, if we go, the market need to break this point at least, because this is the resistance, right? After this bullishness, this created the resistance. On the other side, if it got bearish, this is the support candle, this is the resistance candle, and this is the support candle to go for bearish. Okay, so we mark them very clearly. This is the one area, this is the other area, this is the support, this is the resistance, and this is a very big area, more than 100 pips. Okay, this is more than 100 pips. What we should do now? The price is here. What we should do? So if the price, let's go to 1 hour, you see the whole thing, 1 day time frame, the whole thing changes. Okay guys, in some cases, if it was good enough candle, it is not good enough. The space is too low, so I don't want to risk that, and this is too far, but I need this because this has a very big shadow. Can you guys see? It has a very big shadow, and I cannot risk that. Considering this, if we have, I don't know what happened to my 50%, hold on, I need to enable it in hours. So in 50% zone is here, and our double top is missing. I need to visualize it in hourly. So either it will go up or it will come down. We can decide on these two line is broken, any one of them, not before that. So in my opinion, if the market needs to get bullish, it must break this line. For conservative traders, they will go for this one. That is too high. 10199, almost 1010 and 1087, almost 200 pips. I don't want that. I need to be here. It will be good enough. Or the best option we can judge is if it breaks this line. This is good enough. So we are going to put a box here. Okay. And we are going to put it in yellow and the margin black. This is the thing we are planning now. Either the box will be broken on upside or downside. But to make it a little bit more realistic one, we can consider the box to be here also. If this is broken, but no, I will not agree. I beg your pardon. That is not a safe zone. This is on getting bearish. I need to break this line. No doubt about it. So this is the thing for Euro USD. Before that, I don't prefer that we have any trade to take at the moment. This is the thing we have to consider. Ultimately, this green candlestick is very important. Either it break on the upside or on the downside. So if it moves upside, we will move from here, from this guy here. We will have a retest. Then we will have another retest here. Believe me, no, the retest will be on the upside like this. Okay. Then we have this monthly double top area. If you guys can remember, This is a monthly double top area, if I'm not wrong. Hold on, let me see which red line is this. Yes, the lower price zone of the monthly area will reach this guy. Okay, so this is one thing can happen. The other thing can happen, and I see less chances going up this time, so I'm going to make it dashed line. The other thing can happen, the price will break, try this area, will retest this area, and it will break here. Once it breaks here, it will retest again, because we have another zone here, one zone here, one zone here. Then it will come here. It may retest, it may not. Then it will come to this zone. But there is a catch here. The catch is, once it reaches the 50%, we have to be very cautious, especially in this zone here. We need to be very cautious. Let me put it in different color. Okay, this zone, because it fulfills the cup and handle pattern once it comes here. Okay, and most of the time, once the cup and handle pattern is done, it starts moving, getting bullish, because it's not the inverted cup and handle. And let me draw it here. It is not an inverted cup and handle. Either it will come here, or maybe a little bit down here, because I can see something is here, so it will come a little bit down. So though I am telling you, I need to redo it in a different way. It will start coming here, retest, it will come here. This is one thing I have in mind, so keep it in red and in solid. The second thing can happen is this. Along with this, it will come retest here, and once it fails the retest, it will move to this area, maybe to this area a little bit. I will show some reaction here, but if it breaks this area, I don't think they can do much here. It will come to this area. So I have drawn two different to make you understand here. So let's wait for 10727. This area is very vital for us. Both 10799 to 1027. This is 80 pips. There are 80 pips in this margin. But this 50% fulfills the cup and handle. So if you guys want the lead, let me write the lead for you guys. Okay, so this is retest, this is retest. I am tired of showing people what is retest. Okay guys, if the price will come down, make a green candle, try to breach this this line, brown line, go inside the box, and it will fail, come down, then take that. So after retest, option 1, go long. And where we will go long? We'll go long here, 10985. Okay, 1.0980. Let it be a little bit conservative. And stop loss, we need to check stop loss, and to do that we need to go to 4 hours, and stop loss should be here. You guys can see that is too low. Maybe this red line, neck of the red candle, last red candle, 960. So stop loss has to be 1.0960. Target 1, take profit 1, we will go take profit 1. Let's go to day chart. take profit one will be here, because once it retests, there is nothing can hurt us. If we go to 4 hours, no, we can hurt something can hurt us here, but that will be covered. We'll target 1086, then we'll target 1138. 86 and 38 will be targeted. 1.1086, TP2 will be 1.1136. Am I correct? Yes, something like this. Option 2, we have go short, and both cases after retest we will go short on 108, 108. We are in 4 hours. Let's check on this side. Nothing is here. Go short 1.0880. Stop loss will be 1.0895. I think that will be pretty clear. No, we need more. Let's put it 90, and TP1 for us will be somewhere this one. This guy is 180, so 1.0800. TP2 will go for this line, so this is 1.731. Let's be a little bit conservative. That's it for me. Hope you find and make some money. Please make your comments, and please, if I made some mistake, I will be delighted that if you guys can show me and give the details of that. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I would like to request earnestly to the new viewer, please subscribe. I don't advertise my video. I don't have any ads on my video. Nobody sponsors me. I do is spontaneously. At least you guys can subscribe and return back the favor. Thank you very much.